Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Gongguan Township in Miaoli is home to Hakka fucai, or pickled mustard leaf. After the Hakka people settled in the mountainous region, they began using salt and pickling mustard leaf. There are different stages in the curing and fermentation process, which can result in suancai, fucai, meigancai, or other variations. Every January in Miaoli, the Hakka people celebrate the Gongguan Fucai Cultural Festival. There are a variety of competitions, including a fucai cook-off. Plus, there are other challenges where visitors can experience how fucai was made in the old days.
Hello everyone, it's time for another edition of Talk About Hakka on Icrt.
各位聽眾朋友大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
我好喜歡這句話哦，聽眾朋友 that's friends, but 聽眾 that means all your listeners out there. We are here to talk about Hakka, the culture. And this whole month with Leo, we are taking you to a place in Miaoli. 我們這個月是不是都在苗栗裡面這邊繞啊？
對啊，苗栗哦，係我故鄉，我的故鄉啊。
你的故鄉很熟悉啊。
對，苗栗有東斗 Viso， 有很多地方是很好玩的哦。
是的，而且有個地方呢，就跟台北、台大附近的那個地方一樣的名字，叫做公館。
公館，
公館有什麼東西在公館可以來跟我們介紹一下？
苗栗的公館呢，它在這幾年有舉辦一個活動叫做客家泡菜節，所以呢，真的啊，所以在這個節日當中啊，你就可以去 DIY 自己學習怎麼來做這個泡菜。
Very interesting, because it's so famous. Every year they have a pickled mustard festival, if you will. And of course, you can taste a lot of delicious pickled mustard, but you can also try to make your own. 因為其實要做這個醬菜、福菜，它是要醃製，對，
要先滷膏，然後呢，再把它放到太陽底下去曬膏，然後呢，把它擠到紅的地方，叫做擠泡菜。
又要曬。
對。
Okay, so you can experience the whole process, from drying the pickled mustard leaf to actually bottling them up into bottles and then preserve it for a long, long time. 曬怎麼說？你剛剛講曬 okay, that means to sun dry. 那如果要塞到這個瓶子裡面的塞呢？
那個塞就叫擠。
Okay, that means to bottle something up or to push something into a container, all right? And it's all about the 福菜, which is something you have to taste when you're over at 苗栗公館。福菜
泡菜
again, that is the pickled mustard leaf. And if you got time, if you got a chance, go check out the Pickled Mustard Festival, which is going to take place next month over in 苗栗公館. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
送大家
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.